Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of vinyl with the PureGroove Clean ESD Record Brush Pro. A premium tool designed for serious record enthusiasts who care about their sound quality and the longevity of their LPs. Vinyl records are delicate, and even the tiniest dust particles or static buildup can affect playback. So having the right cleaning tools is essential. That's where this brush comes in. This Record Brush Pro is built with a triple-layer design that combines conductive copper fibers with ultra-soft synthetic bristles and an anti-static structure. This combination allows it to effectively remove dust and neutralize static, ensuring your records play cleanly without any crackle or distortion. The ultra-fine synthetic fibers, measuring just 0.10 millimeters, are gentle enough not to scratch the grooves while still lifting even the smallest debris. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort and precision. You can easily maneuver the brush over your record, maintaining full contact with the grooves in a smooth pass. An anti-static handle is built in to help discharge any lingering static safely, keeping your sound clear and crisp. For audiophiles and collectors, this is particularly important because static can attract dust and impact your playback quality over time. The brush isn't just about cleaning, it's about preserving your records. Regular use can help maintain groove integrity, reduce wear, and extend the life of both your vinyl and your stylus. It's intended to be part of a complete vinyl care routine when paired with this Stylus Brush Pro. Using both together ensures that not only is the record surface pristine, but the stylus tip is also clean, supporting stable contact and consistent sound reproduction. In terms of size, the brush is compact and easy to hold, making it simple to use before every play. It's particularly effective when used on a spinning record, allowing you to lift dust off in real time without interrupting playback. Its construction is geared towards long-term durability, ensuring it can become a staple in your vinyl maintenance kit. In summary, this Record Brush Pro is a high-quality, thoughtfully engineered tool for anyone serious about their vinyl collection. It provides deep cleaning, reduces static, protects your records, and enhances your listening experience. Whether you're a casual listener, a dedicated audiophile, or a professional DJ, this brush helps maintain the clarity and fidelity of your vinyl collection. That's it for today's review from Product Critique. If you love vinyl and want to protect your investment while keeping your records sounding their best, this Record Brush Pro is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed product insights.